Welcome back to the garage. Today we are going to be working on removing the rear axle. At least getting it started. I bought some new jack stands. Yeah, hopefully I can get it up on all four and in a position where I can actually drop the front suspension and the rear suspension, and then maybe start reconditioning the rear axle. I know it has a pinion seal leak. The front I want to do a tubular K-member with coilovers. Well, obviously I have to redo the steering as well because I think my steering rack is shot. Yeah, so let's get started. One thing to keep in mind when you're jacking things up like this, in the rear, it can kind of cantilever forward. So I'm going to put another jack stand on the front here as I do the back. Okay, now what we're looking for is all four parts of the jack stands being flat on the ground. Okay. That is barely on there. Backs look okay. I'm gonna just try to settle those a little bit better. Unclench now. Alright, so taking off all the wheels is going to be kind of twofold. A, I need to take them off anyway. And B, they are heavy, and I want to keep the weight as light as possible. Being in the market for a set of kind of clapped out turbines. Yeah, so when I drop the rear axle, I'm worried that the weight difference between the front and the back would cause this to kick forward, so I put an extra jack stand there. I might actually jack up the back a little bit. I think I'm maybe an inch or two down in the back. Cool. The body unload a little bit, so So I'm about to get underneath this thing. My wife is under strict instruction that if this thing falls on me and kills me, she is to release the footage. Coney Reds. Wish I had a lift. Oh man. All right, so I'm taking a quick break. I got the nuts taken off the upper and lower control arms. We've taken out the shocks, the lowering springs. It's super hot out today, so I'm just trying to catch my breath. Yeah, I'm hoping to have the axle out today. My plans for the axle are to do a 5-lug swap. I would also like to do, what is it, 31 spline axles maybe. I have to redo the rear. I have to rebuild it, I think. It has leaked quite a bit over the years. Yeah, so it's gonna be quite a bit of money to do this. Got to get started somewhere. Plus, I want to be able to access the underside to start doing some rust remediation under there, because it's a little rusty. It's not too bad. Other than that, yeah, so I have, if you like my shirt, let me know if you would buy one. These were just made for me as a gift by my wife. If you would, then I would set it up and I would probably donate most of the proceeds to Husky House in New Jersey. Oh yeah, look at that shirt. You're gonna want to get yourself one of these. Go on, get!